Hi guys, it is Monday, February 10th. Right now it's 10:03 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm making this video because I was working with my alphabet answer sheet with my guides. I was just, doing a reading on myself, and I asked them if there was any messages that they felt I needed to know about, and they gave me information that there's going to be an earthquake in Mexico. Before we start, I want to make something really clear. I'm not here to scare anybody. That's never my intention. I'm simply sharing with what my guides have told me because I feel it in my heart that it's important, and putting this message out there is the right thing to do. If there's even a chance that we can come together and shift the energy, just like we did with the Super Bowl, then I believe that this message is worth sharing. I also want to ask if any of you are from Jalisco or Zacatecas, can you confirm whether there are towns, cities, or pueblos with the name of Los Jaramillo or Las Andreas? My guide spelled them out for me twice, and both times I received the same answer. I would love to hear from those who might have firsthand knowledge. I tried looking it up on Google, like Google Maps, and there are some close, but not exactly what I was given. And I know that sometimes there are really small towns with these names, but I wanted to make some questions that I could ask this sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. And I've already done all of the opening prayers and called in my guides, so I'm going to skip that part. I don't want to make this video longer than it needs to be. I feel like getting this out is very important right now. This is the message that I got from my spirit guides while working with the alphabet sheet. It's Mexico, earthquake, Jalisco, Los Jaramillo, Las Andreas, and Zacatecas. Will there be a significant earthquake in Jalisco, Mexico? Yes, thank you. Will there be a significant earthquake in Zacatecas, Mexico? Yes, thank you. Will this be two different earthquakes? No, thank you. Is it going to be one earthquake that affects both states? Yes, thank you. Is this earthquake expected to happen soon? Yes, thank you. Can you use the pendulum to show me what month this earthquake is going to happen? Okay, it's pointing to February. Are you saying that the earthquake is going to happen this month? Yes, thank you. Is the earthquake going to happen this week? Yes, thank you. Can you point to what day this week the earthquake will happen? It's pointing to Thursday. Are you saying that the earthquake will happen this Thursday, February the 13th? Yes, thank you. Will the earthquake happen during the morning of Thursday? No, thank you. Will the earthquake happen after 12 o'clock their local time? Yes, thank you. Is the sun still going to be up in the sky when the earthquake happens? No, thank you. Are you saying that the earthquake is going to happen during the night? Yes, thank you. Oh, I don't live anywhere near where earthquakes happen, but we do get major hurricanes, and they always come through at night, and it's so scary. Oh, I hope that by putting this video out, we can change the events just like we did with the Super Bowl. Will the earthquake's magnitude exceed 6.0? Yes, thank you. Will it exceed 7.0? Yes, thank you. Will it exceed 8.0? Yes, thank you. Will this earthquake cause significant damage in Jalisco? Yes, thank you. Will this earthquake cause significant damage in Zacatecas? Yes, thank you. Will the effects be felt in neighboring states? Yes, thank you. Will there be a risk of tsunamis following the earthquake? Yes, thank you. And then this next line of questions is just because, again, I'm not familiar with any area that experiences earthquakes, so I just kind of wrote down what I would want to know if I did live in one of those areas. Is this earthquake related to seismic activity in the Ring of Fire? And I apologize if I said that wrong. Yes, thank you. Will there be significant aftershocks following the main event? Yes, thank you. Is this the beginning of more earthquakes that are going to affect the region? Yes, thank you. Should residents in Jalisco begin earthquake preparedness measures? Yes, thank you. Should residents of Zacatecas begin earthquake preparedness measures? Yes, thank you. Will there be any natural warning signs before the earthquake? No, thank you. Will authorities issue an official warning prior to the earthquake? Yes, thank you. Will residents have sufficient time to evacuate or seek safety? No, thank you. Are local emergency services equipped to handle the aftermath? Yes, thank you. Should neighboring states also prepare for potential impacts? Yes, thank you. Will the earthquake result in widespread infrastructure damage? Yes, thank you. Will hospitals and medical facilities be significantly affected? Yes, thank you. Is there an anticipated risk of casualties from this earthquake? Yes, thank you. Will there be a significant number of injuries requiring medical attention? Yes, thank you. Are tourists in Jalisco or Zacatecas at risk during this period? Yes, thank you. Is it advisable to postpone travel plans to the area in the near future? Yes, thank you. Will major transportation hubs like airports and highways be affected? Yes, thank you. Will international assistance be necessary for effective recovery? Yes, thank you. Is there a chance that this earthquake will not happen? Oh, thank you. if we as a collective offer prayers and put good energy into the situation, will we be able to change it? Yes. Thank you. And I asked you this, spirit guides, before we started filming this video. Do you feel it is important for me to put this video up on TikTok and on YouTube? Yes. Thank you. Will this video being put online help save lives? Yes. Thank you. We were able to change the outcome of the Super Bowl because enough people paid attention and offered up prayers. Are we able to accomplish this again and help the people in Mexico with this danger of the earthquake? Yes. Thank you. Okay, you guys. So I know that is a really heavy message, but I really feel it in my heart. And my guides are pushing me to share this with you guys because we were able to change the outcome of so many of us that, predicted something happening at the Super Bowl, but enough of us got the word out and we all came together and we were able to put energy into it and just have everything switch up. So my guides are saying that there's a possibility we could do that again. So if you guys are able to connect with your spirit guides, your pendulums, your tarot cards, please check on this and then let me know what your guides are telling you, what your pendulum is telling you, or your tarot cards. This is one of those things where, God, I hope I'm wrong. I hope you guys have a good night. Please keep Mexico, Jalisco, and Zacatecas and all of their people in your thoughts. I love you so much.